There are still some great ways to bypass the Samsung lock screen without sacrificing any information. This video offers excellent tips for bypassing a Samsung Galaxy lock screen without losing your data. Way 1. Bypass Samsung lock screen without losing data via Android Unlock. If you are looking for the best and easiest way to bypass your Samsung lock screen without losing any data, then Android Unlock is the great answer. It is a very powerful tool that allows you to bypass the Android lock screen. Way 2. Unlock Samsung phone lock password without data loss via ADB. If you are an advanced user and familiar with ADB, this method can help you bypass Samsung J7S, 7S, 8S, 9S, 10S, 20S, 21S, 22S, 23 lock screen without reset. ADB is a piece of software used by developers to communicate with their Android. Way 3. Unlock Samsung password without losing data via Find My Mobile. Find My Mobile is a free service on all Samsung devices that allows you to locate your phone or tablet device by entering your account details and choosing Find My Mobile. Way 4. Bypass Samsung Galaxy lock screen via Android Device Manager. Android Device Manager is a free app for tracking and locating your phone or tablet. It sends location alerts, tracks your device on a map, erases data, and locks it if stolen. Formerly known as Google Device Manager. Way 5. Unlock Samsung phone forgot password with Google account. This is perhaps the easiest way to bypass a Samsung lock screen. However, it requires resetting your phone. Resetting your phone will delete vital data on your phone. If you don't have a backup, this is not for you.